Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best cloud light is probably one of the most versatile and innovative lighting solutions available today, offering a unique blend of aesthetic appeal and functional brilliance that can transform any space into a personalized sanctuary of light and color. Its ability to mimic natural light patterns, provide customizable ambience, and integrate seamlessly with smart home systems makes it a standout choice for those seeking to enhance their living or working environment with cutting-edge technology and sophisticated design. Whether you're looking to boost productivity, create a relaxing atmosphere, or simply add a touch of modern elegance to your decor, the cloud light promises an unparalleled lighting experience that adapts to your every need and mood. Number 5. Big Cloud Lightning Light Kit. Introducing a magical lighting solution that brings the wonder of lightning and clouds right into your home. It's designed to create an enchanting atmosphere for everyone. This impressive cloud light comes in a generous size, perfect for any room. Setup is a breeze, with everything you need included for a quick and easy installation. Experience millions of colors that dynamically sync with your music. Its smart music mode and adjustable microphone bring your favorite tunes to life with stunning visual effects. Simulate realistic lightning clouds with adjustable brightness and color. It's perfect for bedrooms, living spaces, and even as a cool backdrop for your social media content. Power it up easily with any USB source, making it versatile and convenient. Control it effortlessly via the app or the included wireless remote. Enjoy peace of mind with a product built to last over 50,000 hours. We're here to help with any questions you may have, ensuring your satisfaction. What we like. This cloud light offers dynamic color changes that sync with music, creating an immersive atmosphere. If you're looking to add a vibrant and interactive element to your parties or gaming room, this is the perfect choice. Its ability to simulate lightning and thunder effects with music makes it ideal for creating a truly unique and exciting ambience. What people say. The cloud light has a sleek, modern design that complements any room decor. Its adjustable brightness and color temperature settings allow for personalized ambience. The touch controls are intuitive and easy to use, making light adjustments effortless. Number 4. Cloud Neon Sign White Cloud Light. Transform your space into a whimsical wonderland with this charming cloud light. It's perfect for adding a touch of magic to any room, creating a romantic and enchanting atmosphere. Power it up easily with either 3AA batteries or a USB connection. You can hang it on the wall or place it on a table, making installation a breeze. Crafted with premium, flexible LED strips, this light offers a soft, uniform glow. It operates on low voltage, ensuring safety and energy efficiency for long-lasting use. Add a romantic ambience to birthdays, holidays, weddings, and parties. This eye-catching decoration is sure to be a conversation starter at any celebration. We ensure each light is carefully inspected before shipping. If you encounter any issues, our customer service is ready to assist you within 24 hours. With 2 pre-drilled holes and included hooks, mounting it on your wall or setting it on a table is quick and simple. Enjoy your new decor in no time. What we like. This cloud neon sign provides a soft, romantic glow perfect for setting a mood. If you want to add a touch of magic and whimsy to a bedroom, especially for kids or teens, this is an excellent option. Its dual power source and easy installation make it versatile for various decorative needs. What people say. The cloud light is incredibly easy to set up and use, with intuitive controls that allow for quick adjustments to brightness and color temperature. Its sleek, minimalist design blends seamlessly with any decor, making it a stylish addition to any room. The adjustable brightness and color temperature settings provide excellent versatility for different activities, from focused work to relaxed reading. Number 3. RGB Cloud Light with App and Remote Control. Unleash your creativity with our LED cloud light. You can shape it into any design you imagine, making it a unique addition to your space. It's a fun activity for the whole family to enjoy together. Control your lighting experience with ease. Choose between the intuitive smartphone app or the convenient 40-key IR remote. Explore various dynamic modes like flash, fade, and party to set the perfect mood. Immerse yourself in a vibrant light show that syncs with sound. Its built-in microphone detects any audio, changing colors to the beat. Enjoy your favorite music as the lights dance to the melody, creating a festive atmosphere. Set the perfect ambience with smart timing features. Schedule it to turn on or off automatically via the app, accompanying you to sleep and waking you up gently. You can also adjust the brightness to suit any occasion. This lighting is perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, gaming areas, and more. It's ideal for parties, birthdays, and festivals, adding a special touch to any celebration or everyday decor. Setting up your cloud light is straightforward. Simply adjust the cloud shape, clean your desired surface, and securely attach the hooks. Then, connect the light and use the buckle to fix the wiring in place. What we like? This cloud light allows for complete customization, letting you create your own unique shapes. If you enjoy a hands-on approach to decor and want a light that can adapt to different moods or themes, this is the one for you. The timing function is also great for setting a relaxing bedtime routine or a gentle wake-up light. What people say. The cloud light has a sleek and modern design that complements any room decor. It offers multiple lighting modes, including a warm white for relaxation and a cool white for focus. The touch-sensitive controls are intuitive and easy to use, allowing for quick adjustments to brightness and color temperature. Number 2. Globe Electric 51492 Floating Cloud Wall Sconce. This sweet wall sconce is a perfect mix of ambient light and playful design. It adds a playful feeling of nostalgia to any space. The long clear cord allows you to place your wall light wherever you need it most. The options are literally endless. It requires one E26 medium base 60W bulb, which is sold separately. Please ensure you purchase the correct bulb for optimal performance. Discover the Novogratz X Globe Home Lighting Collection for dynamic and creative lighting. These products offer gorgeous appeal, stellar performance, and exceptional value. Installation is quick and easy. All mounting hardware is included to get your new light up and shining in no time. What we like? This cloud light is designed as a charming wall sconce, blending playful aesthetics with functional lighting. If you're looking for a unique bedside lamp or a whimsical accent for a child's room, this offers a delightful touch. Its simple plug-in design and included mounting hardware make it incredibly easy to set up. What people say. The cloud light offers a sleek and modern design that complements any room decor. Its adjustable brightness and color temperature settings allow for a customized lighting experience. The energy-efficient LED technology ensures long-lasting performance and reduced electricity consumption. Number 1. Cloud Neon Sign. Introducing our Cloud Neon Sign, a beautiful way to add a unique touch to any room. It's designed to create a wonderful ambience wherever you place it. This light offers versatile power options, running on either batteries or USB. It's designed for lower energy consumption and durable use, making it a practical choice. Installation is a breeze with the included hook for wall mounting or simply standing it on a table. You can even combine it with other pieces for a truly eye-catching display. Crafted from durable plastic, this light eliminates the risk of glass breakage. It operates silently and becomes brighter in darker environments, ensuring a safe and pleasant experience. It makes a fantastic gift for birthdays, parties, or holidays. Use it to enhance your home decor, kids' rooms, or create a magical atmosphere for special events. Its fantastic shape and color create a pleasant, fairy tale effect, transforming any space into something extraordinary. It's the ideal eye-catching addition to your home or party. What we like? This cloud neon sign offers a safe and silent lighting experience, perfect for creating a serene atmosphere. If you need a decorative light for a child's room or a quiet space where heat and noise are concerns, this is an ideal choice. Its durable construction and energy efficiency make it a practical and long-lasting addition to any decor. What people say. The cloud light has a sleek and modern design that complements any room decor. Its adjustable brightness and color temperature settings allow for personalized lighting experiences. The energy-efficient LED technology ensures long-lasting performance and reduced electricity consumption. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.